Hello and welcome back to our channel Mahauma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make a protein rich snack recipe. For that, take a mixing bowl. In that, add 1 cup raw peanuts. In that, add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Even you can use normal chilli powder as well. Here, for bright red color purpose, I am using Kashmiri red chilli powder. Then add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste and add required amount of salt. Then pour little bit water and mix it well so that the salt will combine evenly with all the peanuts. After that, add 2 tablespoons BESAN flour for binding purpose, and outside has to be crispy. For that purpose, we are adding 1 tablespoon rice flour. Mix it well all together without any lumps. At last, add 1/4 cup water and mix it as a thick batter. Very important thing, you should not add more water. Meanwhile, heat the pan with enough oil for deep fry on low flame. Before, I forgot to add ink, so that I am adding right now 1/4 teaspoon ink and mix it well all together. Now the peanuts are well coated with the masala and it's ready for deep fry. Once the oil got heat, drop the peanuts one by one gently. But don't overcrowd. We have to drop little amount at a time. After dropping the peanuts, fry them well on low medium flame and mix it gently so that the peanuts will roast all the side. After few minutes, you can see there is no bubbles. This is the correct stage to take it out all the peanuts. All the peanuts are roasted well and it become crispy. In same way, you can fry all of them. The crunchy and tasty masala peanuts are ready. You can enjoy as a evening snack. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.